Welcome to my channel, IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students. We are doing the assessment test in geometry, that is the last part, third part. 11th problem, complete the following figures to have the specified number of lines of symmetry and draw their lines of symmetry. There are certain figures were given and the number of lines of symmetry were given here, 4 lines of symmetry. So that we have to complete this figure such that that figure has 4 lines of symmetry and draw their lines of symmetry. So this is a square and at one corner of the square there are some drawings. Therefore we will draw the same pattern at each corner of the square like this. So it is a symmetrical figure and 4 lines of symmetry. So this figure has 4 lines of symmetry. This is one line of symmetry and this is one line of symmetry, and the diagonal is another line of symmetry and another line. So altogether 4 lines of symmetry were there for this figure. So see, for this figure also we have to complete this figure such that it has one line of symmetry. So we will complete like this. So now this figure has only one line of symmetry, that is this one. This is the line of symmetry, only one line of symmetry for this figure. Next, 12th problem, identify the shapes on the basis of description. First one, a 3-sided polygon with all sides are equal. A 3-sided polygon is a triangle and all sides are equal. Therefore, a triangle whose sides, all the sides are equal, is called an equilateral triangle. Therefore, the answer for this one is equilateral triangle. A triangle whose all the 3 sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. Next, the longest side of a right angled triangle. In a right angled triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. That is the longest of the 3 sides in a right angled triangle. Therefore, the longest side of a right angled triangle is the hypotenuse of the right angled triangle. That is like this. It is a right angled triangle. And this is the right angle. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. This is the longest among the 3 sides. Therefore, the longest side of a right angled triangle is the hypotenuse of the right angled triangle. In the problem, identify the following pairs of angles as complementary and supplementary. A pair of angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equal to 90 degrees. And a pair of angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, let us see the sum of the pairs given in this problem. 60 and 30 degrees. So, sum of 60 and 30 is equal to 90. Therefore, this pair of angles are complementary. Complementary angles. Next, 45 and 35. So, sum of 45 and 35, 135 is equal to 180. Therefore, this pair of angles are supplementary. Supplementary angles. Next, 60 and 10. The sum of 60 and 10 is 70 degrees. It is neither 90 or 180 degrees. Therefore, this pair of angles are neither complementary nor supplementary. So these are not complementary or supplementary. And 80 and 10, the sum of 80 and 10 is 90 degrees. So this pair is complementary angles, 80 and 10, because their sum is 90 degrees, they are complementary angles. Next, 14th problem. From the following figure, identify pairs of intersecting lines, parallel lines and concurrent lines. Pairs of intersecting lines. Here the lines are named after a letter. This line is I, J, K, H, and this is G. So pairs of intersecting lines. So here this line and this line are intersecting. Therefore lines K and G are intersecting. So intersecting lines. Pairs of intersecting lines K and G, one pair, and this is G and J. This line is J and this line is G, intersecting at E. Therefore J and E, another pair of intersecting. Here also this line I and G are intersecting, and also this line F and I are also intersecting. F and I and F are also intersecting, and this line is H and I are also and H are also intersecting at this point. Next, parallel lines. So line I, J and K are parallel. So I is parallel to J, is parallel to K. Each set are parallel to the other line. So I, J and K are parallel to each other. Next, concurrent lines. Two or more lines are intersecting at a point, then those lines are said to be concurrent. So here this line F and G and I are intersecting at A. Therefore lines I, G and F are concurrent at A. So here also these two lines are intersecting and these two lines are intersecting. These are generally, if more than two lines are intersecting at a point, then they are said to be concurrent. Therefore here three lines are intersect at A. Therefore these three lines are concurrent lines. That is line A, line F and line H are concurrent. O, F, G, H, I. Four lines. F, G, H is also F, G, H and I are intersecting at A. Therefore the four lines are concurrent lines. Next, 50th problem. Identify the parallel and perpendicular lines. Number 1, railway tracks. Railway tracks are parallel lines because they never meet at any point. So railway track is like this. These two are railway tracks. So they never meet at any point. So they are parallel to each other. Next, hands of a clock at 12:15. So at 12:15, the hour hand shows 12 and the minute hand shows 3. Therefore, they are perpendicular. The angle between them is 90 degrees and these two are perpendicular to each other. Hour hand and minute hand are perpendicular to each other. Next, upright pole to ground. A pole upright to the ground. This is the ground and this is the pole perpendicular to the ground. So these two are perpendicular. So these two are perpendicular to each other, the pole and the ground. Next, two upright trees. Two trees are exactly straight upright to the ground, T1 and T2. So these two are perpendicular to the ground. Therefore, these two are parallel to each other. So upright trees to the ground are parallel to each other. Therefore, these two are parallel to each other and railway tracks are parallel to each other. Hands of clock at 12:15 are perpendicular to each other. Upright pole to ground is perpendicular to the ground.